everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. We're here in Meijer today to show you these awesome deals. Now this is week 2 of the Buy 5 Save 5 sale, so please make sure you check out my video from last week so you don't miss any of those deals that I posted. Alright, welcome to Shopping with Shana. We're going to start out our Meijer deals with freebies. So these Olay bar soaps, ultra moisturizers, they're $1.39. You want to grab 3 of them. They do have 3. It's just hard to reach them back here. Grab 3 of them. That takes your price to just, give me a second here, to $4.17. But we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that's attaching to them. It will reduce down, so no overage, but it's going to get 3 of these for free. Alright, I have a great vitamin deal if you can find it. I actually cannot find the pink vitamins, although I know I've seen them here before. I think I've even bought them here before. But right now, a lot of vitamins are buy one, get one free, including the pink ones. The pink ones are roughly about $10.49. They're buy one, get one. Plus, we have ibotta rebates for $2.50 back on one, a limit of 3 times. So you get $5 back. The final cost will be $5.49 or $2.75 each, which is a really great price, but I cannot find them here. I'll have to keep looking. So it took me a while to find them. They weren't in the actual vitamin aisle. They were actually in with the women's supplements. But here are the pink things like melatonin and things like that. You can get the Biotin there for $11.49. It looks like the $10.49 ones are gone for the skin, nails, that type of thing. But obviously you could do this. I also noticed we have a $2 off coupon there you could use on the one that's not free. So great deal there. Actually, that might be one worth getting, but it is regularly priced $15.99. So no amazing deal here this week, but I am back on keto, and I really enjoy these Quest cookies for keto, and they are quite expensive. For 4-pack at Kroger, it's $9.99, or it's $2.69 each. Well, these are normally priced $2.69, but when you buy 2, they're just $2 each, which is a much better price than anything Kroger has currently. So I'm gonna grab a couple cookies for this week to get me through. And to note, it also includes products like $2.99, like these Quest frosted cookies that are like chocolate cake, and then we also have some Quest bars and things like that for $2 each. Remember, these are $2.99 regular price, and then if you want to buy, you know, here at least it's a little bit cheaper than Kroger. It's $8.99 for a 4-pack, but still it's cheaper to buy them individually, and obviously way cheaper to buy them individually than $11.99. 4th of July is coming up, and we can see that they've cleared out the seasonal section. This is going to be where all the school supplies go, so it's coming. There's a few there, but it is coming, guys. Be prepared. Another thing to start looking for, if you need a grill, which we are in desperate need of a grill right now, they are starting to clearance out. Of course, it may go down even more once we have the 4th of July weekend over officially, but $249 for a $429.99 grill, $180 savings. Really awesome. There's some other ones here. I would like a Blackstone, so that's what I'm looking for. If you know where to get a really super cheap Blackstone on clearance, let me know in the comments. Take note, at Meijer, the pink stickers are an extra 90% off of already marked clearance. So, you know, there's not a lot here as far as the sections go. There's one here and there's one over here, but like, take for instance, let's look at this sweatshirt here. It's oddly cute to me. I don't know, it's kind of different. I don't know if I'd like it though. It's $21, so 90% off of that would basically be, what, $2.16 for this sweatshirt that's $21. Not a bad deal. You might find some things that you would really like or need, especially for the winter. You know, there's sweaters, there's even some khakis here. So definitely worth checking out if you're heading to Meijer anyway. All right, we have Noosa Yogurt that is regularly priced $2.15. You want to grab 3 of them. They're 3 for $5. You're going to pay $5 out of pocket, but then you're going to submit to ibotta for 3 back on 3, which makes them roughly 66 cents each, which is a pretty decent deal, especially if you like Noosa. So I am going to take a look at the carbs and see if it's something that I might grab. I don't think so. By looking at it, 31 carbs, probably not. All right, you need to check your ibotta. My ibotta does not have this. However, it is all over the internet about these Kraft Mayo Buffalo style dressings. They're regularly priced $5.39. Pay that out of pocket, but ibotta has a rebate for some people for $6.49 back on one. That's free and $1.10 moneymaker. which is a really, really simple, easy deal. So hopefully you have it. I unfortunately do not, but my fingers are crossed for you. Let me know in the comments if you do. Alright, if you saw my video last week, the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce was like $1.99. It has gone up in price a little bit. We see that it's now $1.15 on the buy 5 sale. However, we do have these dipping sauces that are, yes, they're $1.15, but Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times. It's for the 14 ounce. We're good here. And so that's going to make them 40 cents each. So we've got, you know, different ones like the Ray's secret sauce. We have the creamy buffalo dip. You have the honey mustard over there. We also have the Ray's chicken sauce. One other note on the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, we also have an Ibotta rebate for the barbecue sauce, but it's for the 28 ounce, not the 18 ounce. Although some people are saying that when you purchase it, it does attach still. So that's a gamble that you might want to take or might not want to take, obviously. But just to let everyone know, so you don't come at me and say there's also, you know, a deal for the barbecue sauce. Like everything, PopTarts have gone up in price. The 12 count are $4.29, no sale price, but we do have the 8 count on sale this week. They're normally priced $2.85, but they're going to be $2 each when you buy 2 or more. So not a bad deal here, especially since this is something that my kiddos eat constantly. Southern Recipe small batch pork rinds are buy one get one free this week, and they are regularly priced $3.49. So not a bad deal, especially when you're looking at the Meijer brand for $1.99. Alright, this deal is still available this week. So these are $2.79. They are on buy 5 for $1.49 and 50 cents back from Ibotta, which is a really great deal. I also wanted to point out that the last time I came to Meijer and bought these last week, I did get $1.50 off 4. Now I have a couple of other ones from Kroger that are like $1.25 off 2 and stuff, but since this is Meijer, I'm going to use this one here so it's easy to use. But an extra little bit of savings there, so I'm going to make sure I grab 4 of these. And then we also have these KoolAid canisters. You can get the Country Time lemonade, and if they had Tang, you could do that too. So these are part of the buy 5 save 5. They're regularly priced $3.75. They are on sale for $2.99 and $1.99 each with the buy 5 sale. And of course we have either 80 cents back from Ibotta, or you may be the lucky one that gets $1.25 back from Ibotta, making these just 74 cents each, which would be a really great stock up price. Alright guys, this deal is back and they're actually in stock. So these Deli Witch cheese melts, it does have to be the cheese melt 4-pack by Hot Pockets, is regularly priced $6.99, on sale for $4.99, and you're going to pay that out of pocket, but then we're going to submit to Ibotta for 3 back on 1, limit of 3 times. It makes them just $1.99. Really great deal here. I'm going to max out my 3 because it looks like we've got it. Alright guys, one more thing to note. As I was checking out, before I even paid, a Catalina coupon printed for $1 off one of the Deli Witch, and I used it on that transaction. I had to take a quick picture of it so you can see it. But then I also, after checkout, after I had paid, this $1.25 back for Hot Pockets popped out, as well as this $1 off 4 for Hot Pockets. Alright, so we have some Edie's ice cream, like the Nestle Toll House or the Oreos here. These are all Edie's products down here also. So these are on sale this week for $2.29. There is $1 back from Ibotta and $200 when you buy 2 swag bucks from Swag Bucks, and that's going to make them free and a 21-cent moneymaker. However, I also have this $1 off 1 Catalina coupon. Now it does say Kroger. Hopefully that doesn't make an issue. It is a manufacturer coupon, so it should work. Sorry, it's fuzzy there. I'm going to use it on the Oreo, and we hopefully will have a bigger moneymaker because of it. We also have a pretty decent deal here on the Reeses, or the Breyers, I should say, ice cream. So we have the Reeses here for $5.29. It's part of the buy 5. It's on sale for $4.49, so part of buy 5 for $3.49. And there's a 3 off 1 digital or in-perk coupon, making it 49 cents for one of these. And then for the other Breyers ice cream, there is a 2 off 2, so you can get them for $2.49 each, which is not a bad deal either. A $1 off 1 on the Oreo, this time from Meijer. So if I want to redo some of these deals, I definitely can, especially if Ibotta reloads. Not a bad deal here on the California Pizza Kitchen pizzas. So these are regularly priced $8.49. They're on sale for $5.49, and we have an Ibotta rebate for 2 back on 1. Makes one of these pizzas, or whatever the limit is, $3.49, which is a pretty decent deal. So just which one should we get? If you need some hot dogs, we have the Eckrich Franks for just 99 cents, normally priced $1.85. And you do have like the cheese Franks here and the originals. All right, we are ready to check out. Let me know what your favorite deal is today. I can't wait to see your hauls. Follow me on Facebook to post your hauls so I can see them. Have a wonderful day, guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye-bye.